Hello YouTube, it's Darren. I'm back here with a Coca-Cola mini can fridge, as you can see. I got this for Christmas, December 25th, from a friend. And really, 7 months later, here I am opening it for the first time. What got me already reading this before even making this review, it doesn't use a compressor. It says no compressor, CFC free, solid state cooling. I looked this up already on the internet and it hasn't got good reviews for cooling your beverages or whatever you decide to put in. It holds up to 8 355 millimeter can or 12 ounce cans. Should we cut it open and see what's inside? I know it's been a while for a review. I'm sorry, but my life got in the way. So that's how that's packaged. Let's rip it out of here. It's kind of cool. I should have opened it a long time ago. What was I thinking? What else is in the box? Nothing. Just junk, so put that away. Plastic. This, I think, supposed to open up. Manual. Cigarette lighter. Comes with a cigarette lighter and a plug-in. Let's open that up here so you get a better look. You can get these at your local shopping center. I'm not going to say which one in Canada or the United States because I'm not advertising for any company. Neither am I advertising for Coca-Cola, so let's get that out of the way. Your standard 120 plug-in. If you're in Europe and they sell this, then it'd be the other plug-in, the European plug-in. I don't know if I'm saying that right. But it doesn't matter what country you live in, because everyone has this. This is standard through the world. The 12 DC cigarette lighter port. I guess that could be if you're in a van. If you can see inside. So what I'm going to do, since there's a little seal right there, and it snaps shut, and that's how it opens. There's plastic stuck right in there. I'm going to have to get that out. This is what the back looks like. And it won't focus, will it? I'm going to plug it in. And we're going to wait. And then we're going to see how it cools. I'll go get the thermometer. Hey guys, I'm back with the thermometer here. It's a warm day where I am. It's about 25 degrees Celsius, 24 degrees Celsius, about 78 degrees Fahrenheit. So we're going to plug this in and we're going to see what happens in 2 hours. Okay guys, I'm back. I plugged it in. There you go. Thermometer is going in. There you go. Show you. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but there's air coming right out of the top here. Hey guys, I'm back. It's been more than 2 hours. I had company come over and watching a movie and stuff, so, but this is still running, so I don't think there's any sensor in it to shut it off to detect the proper temperature. It's just my opinion. I'll show you what this is at. It's not bad. You're sitting about +4. So about 9 Fahrenheit. So that's cool enough, as this is already fogging up. So here's your tray for the top shelf. Now I don't have Coca-Cola, but this is the same size. It's supposed to, well, smaller. It's supposed to fit 4 in the bottom, 4 on top, and then I'm assuming it says hold date. That's a 295 millimeter. 295, sorry, ml can. So those are smaller than a Coke can. Let's see. Let's take the shelf out, see what happens. Okay, yeah, you take the shelf out, and as you can see, you should be able to fit 8 Coke cans or whatever soda beverage you want in there. But this keeps running still. This is a different model. This is not the heater version. Some of them had a heater in it as well. This one's only the cooler. The product number for this one is CC06. That's the company that makes this. So let's take all this out here. Let's show you the bottom. There you go, just in case you wanted to know. And it's kind of like a pop top. So, if you liked my video, like, share, subscribe, comment below. Tell me what you'd like to see. And hit that notification bell to get notified when I upload more content in the future. Thank you. Have a good day.